Hello, I'm hoping that somebody might be able to give me some help with some dimensions. This is a piece of glass from a 32 Ford two-door sedan, American spec, and it's got two pieces missing, a piece there and a piece from there to there. So I am asking if anybody has a similar piece of glass, if they could take a tape measure to it and tell me some dimensions. First of all, I'd like a height from the corner, the lower corner, up to the top of the glass, and let's say 1 inch in from the back edge. So first of all, number one, then what is that dimension from there down to there? And that will give me a clue of how to finish that. Also, an indication of what is the radius there. What sort of radius do we have here at the top? A big one or not very much? And to do a similar thing to help me here, I'm assuming that there must be some sort of a part here that is vertical, but I don't know how much of it is vertical. So if somebody could come up with this dimension for me, from the back corner, the back edge along to the horizontal part, I'm assuming there's a horizontal part, let's say again, let's say 1 inch up from the base. I've not drawn that 1 inch up from the base. Let's say an inch up from the bottom edge. How long is the glass to that point there? And then what I can do, I can just measure that and do a vertical piece. Alternatively, the vertical piece, how high does it come up? So that's the third dimension. But this one and this one, I could, I might be able to improvise as long as I know either one of those. So I'll just make a mark here. So then this radius then, R equals, that's number 4. Number 4, what is that radius there? Okay, I'll leave that with you all then, and let's hope somebody's got a piece of glass that I can get the dimensions from to get one, well, to get a new pair cut for this. Okay, thank you very much indeed. Bye. Hello. I'm going to take a little bit of, hello, I am going to just make a short video hoping somebody can help me. I'm looking at my rear window area of my 32 sedan and I've got a few questions. Okay, so can somebody tell me, first of all, how you fit the glass into the rear window areas? Is there any significance to the fact that this panel can be undone? It can be undone, but it can't be removed fully because it's riveted here. But I'm struggling to see how you can get the glass in place and the channels. Is there a trick? I can't think what it might be. Now I can see down there is a piece of steel channel there, just tacked into that piece of wood. Now this is the remnants of a piece of channel here. Okay, I'm not sure how that's attached. So I'm going to get that down and have a look at it. Yeah, I can't tell. So that's something else I need to look at, as to how that's attached. And what I wonder if somebody also can advise me, what sort of channel is it now? I've got this sort of channel which is rigid, it doesn't bend. But I've also got another sort of channel which will bend, is flexible. I'm assuming actually the flexible one is the type to use. Can somebody confirm that to me, or should it be this rigid type? And this is the flexible type that I have. Now I use this on my 41 pickup, so I'm assuming it's probably, I think this is what I need to use. Can somebody tell me if that's a big mistake to use that? Okay, so that's what I'm after really, some hints and tips as to how you put the channel in and how you put the glass in. Do you have to put the glass kind of in place and then slip the channel up behind it and then lower the glass and tack the channel here, then raise the glass and tack it down there? I just can't, I can't think how to do it. But there's a fixed channel there, and there's a channel there. How can you get the glass in between them? Or is it something to do with this piece of wood here? Does this piece of wood come off? I would assume not. Yeah. Okay. Yes, I'm a bit baffled. So any advice would be more than welcome. Thank you very much for watching. Anybody with a two-door sedan, please chime in and let me know. Please chime in and let me know what you think. Okay. Thanks a lot then. Cheers. Bye.